Ready to create social media posts faster and easier? Let's walk you through SocialBee's post editor, where creativity meets efficiency. First things first, head to the Add a Post button. You'll find it at the top center of your page, on the left side of your screen, and inside each category, so you'll always have quick access to it. This opens up the post editor, your central hub for creating social media content. Here you can choose which social media platforms you want to publish to by selecting them at the top of your screen. You can then type in your content directly into the text box or let our AI assistant do the heavy lifting. With just a few clicks, you can brainstorm ideas, craft captivating captions using our prompt templates, and generate fresh variations for your evergreen content. The AI assistant can refine your content and enhance your tone for a more professional, friendly, or engaging vibe, all tailored to match your unique voice. Next, it's time to bring your post to life with media files. You can upload photos or videos directly from your device or save time by pulling in content directly from Canva, Unsplash, or Giphy, all here in SocialBee. And if you're looking for something a little more unique, you can use our AI image generator to create custom visuals that stand out. Each platform has its own quirks, and SocialBee makes it easy for you to get everything just right. So let's talk about customization. Tailor each post for different social media platforms by clicking on the Customize for each profile button. This will allow you to access platform-specific features for each one of the social media platforms and adjust mandatory requirements for some of them. So here's what you can do once you customize the post for each platform. You can adjust the text length for each platform's best practices, which is ideal for those short nuggets of wisdom that you're sharing on X, Threads, or Blue Sky. You can adjust the media aspect ratio to meet each platform's requirements. This is especially useful on Instagram, where a 4:5 aspect ratio is preferred for images. You can also add a custom thumbnail to your video, wherever possible. For instance, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, or Pinterest. It's your choice. You can add a first comment to your post on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. You can also tag users in the caption based on their unique usernames for each platform. And then there are some features that are only specific to some platforms. In this case, Facebook and Instagram allows you to choose how you're posting, on your feed, in your stories, or on your Reels tab. But Instagram also allows you to choose if your reel gets added to your grid as well. On Instagram, you can also add a location pin to your post, tag users in the caption or even on the image itself, and you can also invite them as collaborators. On the other hand, LinkedIn allows you to change the cover photo of any link preview that you have. YouTube gives you the option to change the privacy of your video, and it also requires you to add a title to each one of your posts. At the same time, Google Business will allow you to add a custom CTA on each one of your posts. TikTok requires a privacy setting to be chosen, and it also gives you the option to disclose branded content or allow duets, comments, or stitches on your post. Pinterest, on the other hand, will require you to select a board, add a source URL to your pin, and then you'll also be able to add a title for it. With SocialBee, you can optimize your post for every audience, every time. Want to keep your content fresh over time? Use the Add Variation feature to create multiple versions of one post. This will allow you to reuse evergreen content without sounding repetitive. Perfect for maximizing the lifespan of your best ideas. When it's time to schedule, you have options. Publish it immediately, pick a specific date, or add your post to a content category for automated scheduling. Categories help keep your strategy organized. Think promotional posts, inspirational quotes, or blog updates, and allow for consistent, balanced content. You're also able to choose whether this post requeues or not, or set it to expire with one of the options available. Before hitting publish, preview your post to see exactly how it will look across the different platforms. SocialBee's preview tool helps you catch any formatting issues or last-minute changes you might need to do, ensuring that your post looks polished and professional. And that's it. With SocialBee's post editor, creating, customizing, scheduling content is simple, efficient, and fun. If you run into any issues with SocialBee's features or you have any questions, you can always reach out to our team at success@socialbee.com.